Today I'm going to show you how to create a letter portrait effect in Photoshop. First, go to File and create a new document. Click the color picker and choose the white color. And click OK. Click on the preset details and give it name you like. Just copy these settings below it. And click Create. Select the horizontal type tool. Go to window and choose the character. Click the color picker and choose the black color. And click OK. And just copy these settings. Close the character and click on your document and type out your text. Go to the Layer panel. Go to the filter and choose the Convert for Smart Filters. Press Ctrl-T to select the free transform tool. And drag the top handles. Hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. Go to File and choose the Place Embedded. And place the model. Hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. Go to Select and choose the subject. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Right-click and choose the Convert to Smart Object. And reduce the opacity to 60%. Press Ctrl-T to select the free transform tool. And just follow these process. Hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. And set the opacity back to 100%. Press and hold Ctrl while clicking on the text layer thumbnail. Select the lasso tool, and click the Add to Selection. And just follow these process. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Click the foreground color, and make sure the foreground color is white. And click OK. Select the Brush tool and choose the soft round brush. And the opacity 100%, flow 100%. And make sure the mask, not the layer, is selected. And paint these areas. Click the foreground color and make sure the foreground color is black. And click OK. Press the left and right square bracket key to increase or decrease brush size. And remove the black edge. Go to File and choose the Open. And open the playing card. Select the Quick Selection tool. And select the card. Select the Move tool. Drag the card and drop it into the main image. Press Ctrl-T to select the free transform tool. And just follow these process. Hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. Select the three layers by holding down Shift key. Press Ctrl-G to group several layers into a folder group. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select Drop Shadow. Click the color picker and choose the black color. And click OK. Just copy these settings below it. And click OK. Press Ctrl-T to select the free transform tool. And position the image in the center. Hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. Press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E to copy merge all layers. Go to the filter and choose the Convert for Smart Filters. Go to the filter and choose the Camera Raw filter. Click the details. Just copy these settings. Click the color grading. Click the shadows. Just copy these settings below it. And click the highlights. Just copy these settings below it. Click the effects. Just copy these settings. And click OK. And this is the result.